Here we have crypto.com, symbol CRO versus the dollar. And we did get our pullback based off the test to $1 from last week. But this one actually still looking pretty damn good here. So I do think it might even be sufficient to say that correction is probably over. Now, this obviously comes with an invalidation that's going to be below about 64.5 cents. If that invalidation condition is met, I am looking for moves down to 52 cents. Until then, I'm actually looking for this one to trade sideways and up outside of this range, very likely with another test intraday here at around 85, maybe even 90 cents. Still would hold off on getting super excited about this thing as long as you're closed in higher term timeframes below about 95 cents. Above there, however, I guess I'm looking for another run up towards 115 to 120, 1.25 essentially. And realistically, I'm not looking for like macro highs around that region. I'm probably looking towards the 2.618, if anything, which is 139. Would very likely imply some time taken, like, you know, at least like a week or so, probably more like 2 weeks upon validation of that. But just to check it out over here, I'm curious if this aligns with this and if this is more likely or not. Weekly turns up back above 103. Okay, pretty damn far away from that right now, but fair enough. 5-day remains with downside posture as long as below 81.5, but we are still within the bullish control zone. 5-day closure is not tonight, but I believe Wednesday night, actually, at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Daily is going to turn back above 111. So again, higher term time frames is still corrective. Short term time frames like a 4 hour going to turn back up here above 78 cents. So I do think it's going to have a chance. Sideways here is obviously good for the Bulaws. I'd really only turn bearish on this one and look for a deep correction below about 64.5 cents. At that point, yeah, big corrections, but for right now, holding this range right here is actually quite good. I just think that it takes more time. The higher term timeframes still seem to be, unraveling a bit, but the lower term timeframes suggesting that this is a healthy consolidation first and foremost. So hopefully that's helpful. And there you go for crypto.com, sir.